Hey everyone, quick October update for Game Night Timer, my DIY one-button turn timer that keeps game night moving. In September, we built 3 versions: the LED timer with a button and a buzzer, the LCD upgrade with player and time remaining on a 16:2 screen, and third, a Bluetooth speaker version with your custom audio. If you entered the September giveaway, I'll draw the winner live on Thursday, October 9th, 2025 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Now for October, I'm giving away another Google AIY Voice Kit version 1 this month. The Raspberry Pi 3 is not included. You will have to provide your own. To enter for October, comment on any eligible landscape video I post this month. No shorts. This video is eligible. The video description will clearly say it's eligible and will include links to the official rules and the entry form. In your comment, tell me which board game your family takes too long to play or a Raspberry Pi project you'd like to see on this channel. Then fill out the entry form linked in that video's description. Yes, this video is eligible. This giveaway is US only, and I will cover standard shipping within the United States. Entries are for October only and do not carry over. You can enter once each month, but if you win, you are not eligible to win again. 1 entry per person per month keeps it fair. Entries for October are open October 1st through October 31st, 2025. I will draw the October winner live on Thursday, November 6th, 2025 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Full official rules are linked in this description. This giveaway is sponsored by me, Caroline Dunn, and is not sponsored, endorsed, or administered by YouTube or Google. Good luck, and may your game nights be faster and more fun.